Hey there! Ready to transform your skin in just 3 minutes every night? Let's dive into a quick and effective night skincare routine that's perfect for all you busy ladies out there. First things first, let's get that makeup off. Grab a gentle makeup remover, like Garnier Micellar Water. Massage it onto your face and eyes, then wipe clean with a cotton pad. Easy, right? Next, it's time to cleanse. Use a gentle cleanser. I love Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Massage it onto your damp face, rinse with lukewarm water, and pat dry with a towel. Remember, pat, don't rub. Now let's tone and treat. Apply a toner like Pixie Glow Tonic to balance your skin's pH. Follow up with an essence or serum, Olay Regenerist. Micro Sculpting Cream is amazing for this. Finally, it's time to lock in all that goodness. Apply a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. I recommend Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Focus on your face, neck, and ears. Don't forget your eyes. Dab on some Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. Quick recap on the products. 1. Makeup remover, Garnier Micellar Water, around $10. 1. Cleanser Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, about $13. 1. Toner Pixie Glow Tonic, roughly $15. 1. Essence Serum, Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream, around $25. 1. Moisturizer, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, about $17. 1. Eye Cream, Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream, around $40. A few quick tips before you go. 1. Always remove makeup and sunscreen before bed. 1. Use lukewarm water for cleansing. 1. Pat your skin dry, don't rub. 4. Avoid overexfoliating. 1. Get enough sleep. 7 to 8 hours is key. Remember, this routine offers amazing benefits like improved skin texture, reduced acne and inflammation, hydrated and refreshed skin, better skin elasticity, and enhanced overall skin health. Customize your routine based on your skin type. Normal skin, balance hydration and oil control. Dry skin, focus more on hydration. Oily skin, control that oil production. Sensitive skin, stick to gentle, fragrance-free products. Combination skin, balance hydration and oil control. And there you have it. A simple, quick, and effective night skincare routine to keep your skin glowing and healthy. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Sweet dreams and good night.